back, and today I got the new Apple Watch Series 7. So we're gonna unbox it, talk about it, see what this thing looking like. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's get it started. I got goals today, you got goals today. Throw them things up for your boy. I appreciate y'all watching.
Together now you know you in trouble, cause ain't nothing but a G thing, baby. Too low down G, so we're crazy. Death Row is the label that pays me. Unfadable, so please don't try to fake this. But back to the lecture at hand. Perfection is perfected, so I'm a lad, I'm understanding from a young G's perspective. And before me dig out a trick, I have to find a contraceptive. You never know, she could be earning her man and learning her man, and at the same time burning her man. Now if she burning, I'ma chill for a minute, cause ain't no loving good enough to get burned while I'm offended. Yeah, and that's realer than real deal, Holyfield. And now you hookers and hoes know how I feel. Well, if it's good enough to get broke off a proper chunk, I take a small piece of some of that funky stuff. It's like this and like that, and like this and it's like that and like this.
So I bought the Apple Watch on release day. I was gonna make a video about it sometime, literally probably a day after, because I'm pretty fast on my uploads and releases of new products. But I'm gonna be honest, I delayed it on purpose because I really wanted to get to know the Apple Watch and figure out what is the point, of having an Apple Watch if it's needed and if I should need it, and my reasons why of what I wanted to use the watch for. And if you guys can relate and can't relate, let me know what I'm missing, how I can fix it. You know what I'm saying? I would appreciate you guys' help. So you guys can pretty much watch this video and help me on why I should keep the watch, because I'm not gonna lie, it's not for me. All right, so when you first get the watch, you get the band that comes with it. I got the green Power Ranger band, and then I got, the green Morphin Time motherfucking shit to go with it. And then, I got the sports loop, which I ain't gonna lie, this joint kind of fire. This joint kind of fire. I like it because there's no strap. I can't unpop it, so that's pretty nice. I like how I can customize it. So now let's get into the watch itself. All right, so here's the watch itself. I have the 41 edition, the basic version, Series 7, aluminum. Back's the same, you get the stuff that tracks your oxygen, blood oxygen, your heartbeats and everything, very good health stuff. You know what I'm saying? That's very beneficial for you, all the good stuff. That's awesome. I like that about the watch. You got plenty of customizations, which is awesome, which I like. You can change it to any of these, which I think is great. I like that. That's another thing that I like. I like how there's plenty of options for you. You know what I'm saying? Over the years, it's the 7th version. It gets better over time. App mode, you can look at all the apps. You can do a lot of things with it. You also have the grid mode, which is my favorite. It's easy to scroll through and look at. But you can check the weather. You can, use Safari, internet, messages. Maps, which is, I really like that. Heart rate, which is awesome. Music, calendars, Like I said, you can go through all the maps and everything. You can watch YouTube videos on here, search the web if you want to, emails, but again, like I said, it's just too much of a nuisance for me. All right, so with that being said, that's the stuff that I do like about it. Now, here's the part that I don't like about the Apple Watch. I go to the gym a lot, so I really needed to calculate my steps accurately. I needed to things more for the fitness side that I need, because that's kind of why I got it. Now, I got the Fitbit. The Fitbit works for me because I feel like it tracks, accurately enough for me to keep watch of it. Not only does it track my footsteps, I lift weights and work out, and it tracks that also. Go watch my previous video. It doesn't track just footsteps. It tracks things besides, that. And also it tracks me drinking water and everything, which, the Apple Watch does too. I don't need to carry my phone with me to do those things. Now, do I need to pay the cellular version to keep track of all that? To me, it doesn't track things unless I have my phone with me. So I've missed out on calculating the stuff that I've done. I mean, fortunately, I work out enough to where I can, know what I'm doing, and I can write down what I've done in my head. So I, will make mental notes of what I've done for the day. Cool. But the fact that it doesn't track things down on my phone, just, what I'm saying, it kind of wastes my time. Secondly, the constant taking a breather, the updates, notifications, phone calls, it breaks me out of my mode to where like I just want to take the watch off and launch it. Cause like, bro, like you are not helping me. You're being a detriment. Cause when you're out running or jogging or you're at work or you're just doing something. Okay, having a watch is cool, but sometimes you just want it to just be a watch, okay? Sometimes you just want it to just be a watch, but it turns into a phone to where sometimes people just need to take a break from a phone. Me going to the gym is kind of to detoxing my body, detoxing my life for a second, and reevaluating what's going on in my life. There's too much updates, too much notifications. It's a disturbance to me more than beneficial. Now, I feel like if I had health, that dot dot dot, you guys know what I'm trying to say, it'll be more beneficial towards me. You know what I'm saying? And keep track of my health. Fortunately, at my life right now, I'm okay. You know what I'm saying? I don't need it for that. I need it for my fitness. I need it for, light notifications. You know what I'm saying? I don't mind the phone calls. Just light notifications. Just kind of hold back on the notifications. Like stop buzzing and telling me to breathe. Like this, it being a watch, it's fine, okay? I like this. It tells me the weather, the time. But if I pull up, you know what I'm saying, I'm seeing it. But I need it to tone down. But I'm not gonna keep rapping. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. I'm not saying this is a bad watch. Here, see, another update. Another update. See, right on camera. It's okay. Thanks. I wish I could turn that off. That's the end of the rant. You know what I'm saying? I spoke my piece on it. I don't think it's a bad watch, but it's not for me. I think it's annoying, but it's not for me, okay? It's not you, it's me, okay? It's not you, it's me, okay? But all right, that's the end of the video. If you guys were thinking about getting a watch, find out what you're getting it for. That's pretty much what I want to say. Besides that, I think it's pretty cool. Yeah, so that's the end of the video. But all right, guys, throw the teaser for your boy. I got goals today. You got goals today. Thanks for watching. Peace.